Jollof rice face-off, Nigeria versus Ghana. Let's start with Nigeria. Okay, so you can taste some of that tomato flavor. It's a short grain rice. It's not mushy. It kind of reminds me of Nando's. I don't know if that's an insult. It's more so just really seasoned well. Next up, Ghanaian Jollof. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of different flavors going on in rice. It kind of reminds me of Doritos or like some sort of bag of chips with a lot of seasoning. I don't mean that in the bad way. So this is more of a long grain rice. It's a little bit spicier. The worker at the Ghanaian restaurant, she said that if you wanted authentic Ghanaian jollof rice, then you gotta go to Ghana. This is maybe the most flavorful rice I've ever eaten. It's a bit of that tomato, but there's a lot of other different spices in here. There's some other herbs in here too. I just can't explain it. If I had to rate it, I would give the Nigerian one a 7.8 out of 10 and the Ghanaian one 8.6 out of 10. And I feel kind of bad about the Nigerian one because the owner was hyping it up so much.
What do you want me to say?
Okay, what is the difference between Nigerian and Ghanaian jollof, and which one is better?
Number one, how can you get better than the founder of the food? We don't try to come up with Western world thing. We cook it natural. Ghana puts a lot of beans, baked beans. We don't cook it, we bake it.
Oh, you bake rice?
Yes, you see now you're asking. You see, we bake rice. You see, and when it's done, it comes out beautiful. Just the one you get from Nigerian Palace. Taste it and see how it tastes.